A fresh leak has revealed impressive specs on a next-gen budget flagship from OnePlus. The OnePlus 15R could be bringing a series of upgrades over its predecessors. This tweet claims that the OnePlus 15R, which could debut in China as the Ace 6, will feature notable hardware upgrades. On the front, it may sport a flat OLED display panel with a 1.5K resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate. The Chinese brand could market it as a gaming smartphone. This is further backed by the process under the hood, rumored to be a Snapdragon 8 Elite. The OnePlus 13R debuted with an impressive 6000 mAh battery pack, but its successor could pack an even larger 7000 mAh cell. We can also expect fast charging support like 80W. The tipster claims that the design will retain the metal frame. It will give better protection against the elements with an IP68 plus IP69 rating. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.